welcome back to our channel, Cool Cupcake Sisters. This time, our vlog's gonna be all about riding the ferry. I hope this video can give you some information on how to ride the ferry. Guys, welcome back to the Cool Cupcake Sisters. Today we are going to show you how to ride the ferry. Yes. We're going to San Francisco. You can go to the ferry from Oakland or Alameda. It can take you to San Francisco. Already in the parking lot? And it's the parking lot for the terminal to the ferry. That's a terminal over there. And then here's the parking lot. And then the ferry's gonna be way over there. And we get to ride to San Francisco.
Yeah, normally, this parking lot is completely full.
Is
Because a lot
parking
of people
free?
commute to San Francisco from Alameda, but because today is a Sunday, it's a weekend, so it's kind of like not really full.
Is parking
In
free?
regular days, parking is free, yeah, free all days, weekends and weekdays. And if you come here during the weekdays, you will find this parking lot completely full. You may have to park far away and walk a long distance to get here. Because there's a lot of people who moved into Alameda from San Francisco and they commute every day to work.
It's a moth. Here is the San Francisco. There's like this big thingy in the terminal, and it has the times that it will depart and arrive, and it has pictures of where it might arrive and a few back up there. And here is how much it is. Like for me, if I'm going one-way Clipper, I'll get it would be the same amount of money for me. And yeah, $3.60. Same for Jana. And school groups. It's so beautiful here. It smells like sea. While we are waiting, we're looking at the beautiful view, and we're waiting for the San Francisco ferry. Look at the San Francisco skyline. It's so beautiful. Yeah, it's so beautiful. There's so many tall towers over there. Yeah. They're from business. And the weather is nice here also. Breezy. Not too cold at all. Look, everybody. That's a ship that carries tons and tons and tons and tons of containers that have trading goods from all around the world, especially China. China has almost everything. And also Asia has a lot too, like some stuff from Vietnam, Indonesia, some Bangladesh. That's not in Asia. Never mind. If you don't know what those big things are, those are called gantry cranes. And you know how I talked about the ship picking up containers and they come to us? The ships, when they have the containers in them, they go over to one crane, and then the crane picks up the stuff. And also, in those containers, there's almost everything you can imagine that's in the car. From toys to books to even shower products. Ooh, I wonder if they have LOL dolls. Here comes the ferry, and we're getting ready. So the ferry just came, and we have to wait for all the people to get out, which is a lot of waiting. And then we can go. No. You have to buy another. Welcome aboard, matey. First things first, we have to pay for the ticket so we can come here and back. Guys, can you see the people lining up to pay their tickets? We're the first. It's a perfect day to go on Sunday because on other days, usually during weekdays, it's really crowded. Lots of people have to go to work going to the ferry. First destination is Oakland because we have to pick up a few passengers. Containers that have lots of containers in it that have the goods. And we're going to Oakland because we have to do another passenger.
Enjoy your day. We appreciate your patronage. Hope to see you again soon on San Francisco Bay Ferry.
This is Oakland Ferry Terminal. It's in Jack London Square. I and Jana are going upstairs to look at the beautiful view out there. A lot of people choose to sit on the dock because they want to see the view. Can you see, guys? There's people from Oakland entering the ferry. Let's ride the ferry, get to San Francisco or Alameda. After checking upstairs, we decided to go back down. Can you see the mini bar, guys? People can buy snacks and drinks there. I hope they're free. containers. That also must be a very big ship. Not only one ship bringing containers, there is a lot of them. Imagine how many containers there are. You see the bicycle rack, guys? That means if you want to ride your bike in San Francisco, you can. No worries. Look at that ship. It's from Singapore. Look at all those. They're so pretty. A crane's going to pick them up. Crane's going to go down and pick them up. Down, up. Singapore. Whoa, China shipping.
Lots of toys inside there, huh? Under the bridge, the Bay Bridge. Second stop is Ferry Building. Some passengers will get out at this time, but we're not. We're going to get out at Pier 41. Do you see that really tall tower, guys? It's called Coit Tower. If you climb to the top of it, then you can see all of San Francisco. So, San Francisco, everybody, we're at Pier 41. So many people. Oh, there's another Bay Ferry. So we're at Pier 41, and we're in San Francisco, and there's going to be a lot of tourists there, and tourist shops.
Nick told us, the ticket's out, click the card, hop through.
Welcome to San Francisco, guys. Enjoy your time here. Okay, so right now we're exiting Ferry, and we're going to Pier, and we're going to Pier 41. There's a lot of tourists here in San Francisco, and also a lot of tourist shops. Okay, guys, it's the end of our video, and I hope this video helped you get some information. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!